guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I want to bring this brand new addition. This is a 1967 Rolls-Royce, and it is just beautiful all the way around. The wood is in excellent shape. Everything with this is just awesome. What we're going to do is take you on a test drive, show you the exterior, show you the interior, and show you the undercarriage. Stay tuned.
This thing is just in amazing condition all the way around. Paintwork is just beautiful. All the trim is in great shape. Fitment is in awesome shape. With this paint, it is just amazing. The reflection that you get it. Wheels are in great shape. That trim, super bright. The handles, the panels, the emblems, again, just amazing. This is such a well cared for Rolls-Royce. So if you're looking for one, this is definitely it. Let's take a look inside the engine. The insulation is in such good shape. Fitment, just great. The interior, again, just everything about this one. The wood trim, the dash, the leather. It's actually nice and soft. It's got a few little things here, but that dash is in great shape. All the gauges work. Stereo works. Power seats. We'll show you all that in the test drive. The rear, again, the wood is in such good shape. The trays work just as they should and in great shape, not all weathered. The lights work. Headliner's in good shape. Trunk. It's got the jack. This is the owner's club. It's got the handbook. Everything there, all there. It's awesome. And it has the tool kit. And if you ever need a King Dick, it's got it in there. Also all the lights, screwdrivers, pliers, tire gauge, and a wrench. This place did not sell this Rolls-Royce, but every time they do shows and stuff like this, they would give these out, so it's just kind of part of it. Factory charger, factory battery charger. that is just awesome. Of course, it's been updated to a newer one. Shuts really nice. On here to the passenger side rear tray, great shape. It's got a little bit more wear right there, but overall it's in really good shape. And the lights on this side work as well. And over here to the front passenger glove box. It's just amazing how well the condition everything is. Seats work up, down, back, and forward. Let's go for a drive. Thing starts up amazing. It really does. Again, all the gauges, everything with that work. Let's check the wipers, and the wipers work and they go back by themselves. That's awesome. Let's see, I know there's a lot of little buttons here that I don't know quite what they do, but driver's seat, that one works. I already showed you the passenger seat. I know this is for air. Let's see, headlights, and we got wipers, and then let's see, oh, the antenna, the power antenna, that does work. That works there. And so that is part of the AC. And I know it kind of makes a little bit of a shudder noise. It is not blow cold. Upper. It's actually kind of blown cool now. Maybe it took a little while. And I believe that this is also for air. So that is all working there. I think this is kind of your rear working, so it does make a little bit of a noise, but it does work. It's blowing cool but not cold. Get that shut off, and let's head out for a drive. There's no seat belts. No belts. Unless I'm missing them. I'm not seeing any. No seat belts. Living life on the edge. This thing does drive really, really well. Blinkers work, shut off works. Now it's got cruise control. I don't know if I'll be able to get up to a high enough speed to make sure that that does or doesn't work. We'll try it. That does work. We'll try it on this next one. Brakes work good. Obviously this is a cruiser, not a go-getter, but it actually picks up. It's got the 6.2, so shifts through the gears. We're at 40. Let's see if it maintains its speed. Cruise control does not work. Overall, shifts out, runs great, very soft and smooth. Brakes work good. Gas gauge works. Yeah, it's a ride right here. And this paint, it is just amazing. It is beautiful. Just like always, like, subscribe, and follow us on all the socials. Thanks for watching. Work, shut off works. Now it's got cruise control. I don't know if I'll be able to get up to a high enough speed to make sure that that does or doesn't work. We'll try it. So we are at if that does work. We'll try it on this next one. Brakes work good. Obviously this is a cruiser, not a go-getter, but it actually picks up. It's got the 6.2, so shifts through the gears. We're at 40. Let's see if it maintains its speed. Cruise control does not work. Overall, shifts out, runs great, very soft and smooth. Brakes work good. Gas gauge works. Yeah, it's a ride right here. And this paint, it is just amazing. It is beautiful. Then from a stop. It goes and stops. All right, guys, this is under that 1967 Rolls-Royce. This thing is in great shape. There is a little bit of surface rust. You're going to see that on here. I have not seen too many of the 60s and 70s Rolls-Royces that do not have it, but overall, the good part is that the structure integrity of this thing is all metal. There's no soft points on it whatsoever. That's what I really like about it, and it is just in amazing condition. One of the consigners on this got it from someone who said that they were the original owner on it and it is actual mileage. I do not and will not confirm that that is or is not. There's a couple things that appears to be, and then there's a few other things that appears not to be, but we'll just take that for what that is. But let's go ahead and take a look at the exterior.